Hello. We are continuing Rain World. I found a new area. I forgot what it's called. But we'll see. So yeah. So we're there. Is there anything that I took with me? No. Okay. Let's go. There's immediately creatures. What are they? What are they and why are they definitely gonna eat me? What was that? That was a little blue thing. Does this kill them? Can I kill these things? Okay, we just can do enough to get past, I guess. Oh god. Cool. It didn't give me food. Who are you? Are we good? Are we chill? Okay. Bye. Yup. There we go. What are they? I don't know if that... Oh, it stunned him. Okay, I see. What are you? Oh my god, seriously. Tell me these things eat him, and I can escape. Oh, I'm dead. Well. What's down here? I haven't gone down here. Right. Do we go this way? Okay, if he moves out of the way, I'm willing to go. I'm hoping that this is gonna be fine. Okay, that is a little bit bad. Come on, get out. Okay, what do we do with this? What is happening there? Who caught who? Oh, that's no land. And those are lizards. Oh no. Can you not reach that? What is that? Oh, is that just... Oh, it's just one of these. Apparently they come in different colors. Right. What do I do now? If it's not hungry, it's safe in the water. But I think it's hungry because it seems to be chasing stuff. Maybe give up. Yeah, look, that thing is in there. Can I go in there? What is it doing? Oh, it's raining. Can I climb out here? Oh, I can't. Okay. Please let there be a safe point. How do I get out? How do I go out? There's no... Dude, they're in the way. Are you alive? What the hell? Oh no, I was just holding him. Apparently you can do that. Let's just have the water take us up. Well, I'm dead. I'm dead. Right. That way... I don't know if it's more dangerous or not. I feel like it might be. Don't you come this way. What the heck is that? What happened? Did he just blow up? What even is that creature? Is it a lizard? How do I get there? Might as well eat this one too. Will you leave? I need to go there. Dude, go. I'm on a timer here. He has a shock? Okay. I kind of feel like last time, or like, I got stuck for like quite a while in the same area. Except that right now, it is a way further walk to get back to the area I die on. Oh, hi. I don't have a spear. I guess we can eat these things. What are you? Why did you murder me? The last time I saw them, they didn't. God damn it. Great. Dude, what are they? It's him. Does he murder me? Because you can trade with them, right? Please don't. I think they can be friendly, right? You can trade with them. Someone mentioned in chat you can give them pearls. I don't have pearls. He's signing. Oh, there's a bunch of them here. Yeah, you can eat that centipede, don't worry. Why do they have to hate me? They seem intelligent though, they like sign and stuff. He is there. I can throw some of this at you. Does that scare them? Absolutely. But he scares me a little too much. Okay, there we go. Now we can go, now we can go. What are you? Where can I climb out? You could climb out somewhere around you. Whatever, we can climb out right here. Why are you still here? You know, the fireworks are actually really quite effective at keeping them out. Wait, there's no one there. I should go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we have officially made a little bit of progress. Oh gosh. Oh, there's water here. Oh god. Why did I throw the food? Go. Why does he keep throwing the food first? Just throw a spear. You have a spear in your hand. Throw the spear. Red stuff. What is that? What is that up there? It's moving. Oh, it's one of these. What is that? Please don't. Thank you. Okay, they don't do anything. Alright then. What happened? What do you mean I died? Alright. Final, I don't know, cycle. Final attempt. Hi. Please don't hurt me. I come in peace. I am armed for defense. Do not hurt me. Oh, there's a lizard. Oh my god. Okay, let's just go, let's just go. What? Please, dude, I don't want trouble. I'm not armed. Please. Okay, fine. Fine. I'm leaving. Taking the oh god. They like explosives, don't they? Wait. Can I offer him this? Oh, that's a centipede. It's just a baby. Alright, let's go. Don't worry about me. I'm just passing by. They armed. Wait, maybe I can offer them this thing. Do you like this thing? Yes? Okay, can I pass? Okay, thank you. Can I recruit you as, like, to help me? To protect me? I'm going. I'm keeping the pearls for if they come. Okay, I'm keeping one pearl for if they come back. What are they doing? No. Please fight over me. Please. Please. Fight over me. Alright. I'm just dead. Alright. That'll be it. We made a very little bit of progress here. Which, that's fine. Yeah, I still had fun though. I'm not sure I like this area. This area is, very hazardous. But hey. Bye.